On behalf of Goa Police Department and staff of Panjim Police Station, I congratulate Miss Karina Shirodkar for securing gold medal in Penchak Silat National Games 2023. I wish her all the very best. Thank you for future. Thank you.
सरकाराकडल्यान आमी बरेचशे जे जिखतात पळय तांकां लागून सरकार इनामां दिता पण खास करून पणजी पुलीस स्टेशना कडल्यान दिवपाचो यत्न तुमच्यांनी केला कितें
ते आमचे पणजेचे रेजिडंट सो आमकां पणजे पुलीस स्टेशना एक प्राऊड मोमेंट सो आमी ते आयज फेलिसिटेट केले पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनार राखून सो हेज्या फुडें तूं आमच्या गोंयचें इंडियेचें नांव वयर काडचें अशें हांव मागता तुज्या कडसून.
It's a very proud moment for me, especially being a girl, winning a gold medal for Goa. And I would like to, make the youth aware about such sports, especially martial arts, because it helps a lot in daily life. It helps to defend yourself if required. In today's days, it is really required. And also, lastly, I would like to thank the Panjim Police Station for felicitating me. It means a lot that they have felicitated me, the PI especially. Thank you, sir.
So how happy you are now getting the gold medal?
I am very happy because I had dreamt of getting a medal for Goa, and I wanted to get Goa's name somewhere on my, like a small bit of me somewhere in the name, like for Goa. So I'm really happy that I've done it.
What's the reaction of your parents?
My mom was really happy, dad also. I mean, my mom has always been a support system. She's been the backbone of my all achievements. So both of them were really proud of me and happy.
How was your preparation for this?
Basically I'm a taekwondo player, so I started Penchak Silat only because of national games. So it's been 1.5 months that I've been preparing for this game.
Okay. So now you have got this gold medal for yourself and for the state of Goa. So what's your message to the people?
Give it your best. It's very rare that you get such opportunities. So whenever a person gets an opportunity, you'll have to grab it. It is really a big honor to play for your state. So whatever opportunities are thrown on your way, you have to take it because it means a lot for your family and for the state that you have got a medal for them.
Any future plan?
Let's see. Nothing as of now, but we'll try for Khelo India or whichever opportunities open on my way, I will try for it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.